Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Tranquil Retreat, Modern Mediterranean Bedroom Oasis. Step into a haven of serenity in this small, modern, one-story white house. The bedroom reflects the inviting charm of the Mediterranean and offers a tranquil escape just steps from the refreshing pool. Here's how this peaceful retreat might unfold: light and airy, crisp white walls and light-colored linen curtains bathe the room in a warm glow, echoing the white exterior of the house and creating a feeling of spaciousness. Earthy accents, warm textures like woven rugs in muted terracotta tones or a statement wall clad in reclaimed wood panels add a touch of rustic charm reminiscent of the Mediterranean landscape. Calming color palette. The color scheme draws inspiration from the sea and sky. Think calming shades of blue, soft green, or lavender for accent walls or throw pillows. Natural materials. Furniture crafted from natural materials like light wood or woven rattan complements the earthy accents and creates a relaxed atmosphere. Open floor plan, optional. In a larger bedroom, consider a semi-open layout with a designated sleeping area and a separate relaxation nook where you can unwind with a good book. Seamless indoor-outdoor connection. A large French door or sliding glass door opens directly onto a private patio or balcony overlooking the pool. This allows for natural light and fresh air to flow freely and creates a sense of connection to the outdoors. Balcony bliss, if applicable. If you have a balcony, consider placing a small bistro set or a comfortable chaise lounge for enjoying morning coffee or an evening glass of wine with a view of the pool. Functional storage, built-in wardrobes with clean lines ensure clutter-free space. Consider incorporating hidden storage solutions for a streamlined appearance. Mediterranean touches, introduce subtle Mediterranean flair through decorative elements. This could include, hand-painted ceramic vases or decorative plates, throw pillows with traditional patterns like olive branches or citrus fruits, wrought iron accents like a bed frame or a wall-mounted mirror. Tranquil ambience, invest in blackout curtains or blinds for a good night's sleep. Use soft lighting like bedside lamps with woven shades to create a calming atmosphere. Personal touches. Display artwork that evokes feelings of peace and tranquility. Hang family photos or travel mementos to personalize your space and make it truly your own. This modern Mediterranean bedroom is more than just a place to sleep, it's a serene retreat designed for relaxation and rejuvenation. The light-filled ambience, natural materials, and subtle Mediterranean touches create a calming haven that invites you to unwind after enjoying the pool or simply soak up the beauty of your surroundings. Here are several compelling reasons to design your bedroom in this small, modern, one-story white house with a Mediterranean style and a pool in front. Maximizes light and creates openness. The white walls and light-colored accents characteristic of the Mediterranean style will reflect natural light, making your small bedroom feel larger and airier. Large windows or doors opening to the pool area further enhance this by blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Enhances relaxation and sleep. The calming color palette and natural materials often used in Mediterranean style promote relaxation and better sleep. Earthy tones like terracotta and calming blues and greens create a serene atmosphere. Seamless connection to the outdoors. The Mediterranean style emphasizes a connection to nature. Large windows or doors opening directly to the pool area allow for fresh air and the calming sounds of water to flow into the bedroom, perfect for unwinding after a swim or enjoying the cool night air. Functional use of space. Built-in wardrobes with clean lines are ideal for maximizing storage space in a small bedroom. This helps keep the room clutter-free and creates a more peaceful environment. Complements the overall design. The clean lines of the white exterior and the modern style of the house are beautifully complemented by the simplicity and light colors of the Mediterranean bedroom design. It creates a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look for your entire home, evokes a relaxing atmosphere. The Mediterranean style embodies a laid-back and relaxed vibe. This is perfect for creating a bedroom that fosters a sense of tranquility and rejuvenation, ideal for unwinding after a day of enjoying the pool. Low-maintenance materials. Mediterranean style often features materials like white walls and woven furniture which are relatively easy to clean and maintain. This is ideal for a bedroom that may have some poolside traffic or carryover dust. Versatility for personalization. While the Mediterranean style provides a calming base, there's plenty of room for personalization. You can incorporate decorative touches that reflect your interests, like artwork or travel mementos, to make it a truly unique haven. Overall, a Mediterranean-style bedroom perfectly complements your small, modern house and the inviting presence of the pool. It creates a light-filled, functional, and stylish space that encourages relaxation and fosters a sense of peace and tranquility. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your modern Mediterranean bedroom haven. 1. Measure and plan. Take accurate measurements of your bedroom to create a scaled floor plan. Consider the location of windows, doors, and electrical outlets when planning furniture placement. 2. Maximize light and airiness. Opt for white walls and light-colored curtains to reflect natural light and make the space feel more spacious. Explore window treatments that offer privacy while allowing natural light to filter through, like sheer linen curtains. 3. Create a calming color palette. Draw inspiration from the Mediterranean sea and sky. Consider soft shades of blue, green, or lavender for accent walls or throw pillows. Earthy tones like terracotta can be incorporated through rugs or artwork. 4. Embrace natural materials. Choose furniture crafted from natural materials like light wood, wicker, or woven rattan. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that complements the white walls. 5. Optimize storage. Built-in wardrobes with clean lines are ideal for maximizing storage space in a small bedroom. Consider floor-to-ceiling options to utilize vertical space efficiently. 6. Indoor-outdoor connection. If possible, incorporate a large French door or sliding glass door opening directly onto a private patio or balcony overlooking the pool. This allows for natural light, fresh air, and a seamless connection to the outdoors. 7. Balcony bliss. If applicable, if you have a balcony, consider placing a small bistro set or a comfortable chaise lounge for enjoying a morning cup of coffee or relaxing with a good book while taking in the view of the pool. 8. Mediterranean touches. Introduce subtle Mediterranean flair through decorative elements. This could include, hand-painted ceramic vases or decorative plates on a dresser or shelf, throw pillows with traditional patterns like olive branches or citrus fruits, wrought iron accents like a bed frame or a wall-mounted mirror. 9. Promote tranquility. Invest in blackout curtains or blinds for a good night's sleep. Use soft lighting like bedside lamps with woven shades or dimmer switches to create a calming atmosphere at night. 10. Personalize your space. Don't forget to personalize your haven. Hang artwork that evokes feelings of peace and tranquility. Display family photos or travel mementos that bring you joy. Bonus tip: consider an open floor plan. If space allows, in a larger bedroom, explore the possibility of a semi-open layout. Create a designated sleeping area with the bed and essential furniture, and separate a relaxation nook with a comfortable chair, a small reading lamp, and a bookshelf. By following these steps and keeping your budget and preferences in mind, you can design a beautiful and functional Mediterranean-inspired bedroom that complements your small, modern house and the refreshing pool just steps away. This bedroom will be a tranquil oasis where you can unwind, relax, and soak up the beauty of your Mediterranean-inspired home. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.